Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make collage photo frame. First take a cardboard of size 24 cm into 15 cm. Mark a point at 2 cm from all sides and make a border. Now cover it with black chart paper. Take a cardboard and make a square of 9 cm into 9 cm. Mark midpoint at 4.5 cm and from that point mark at 5 cm and make a triangle. Cut it. Draw a heart and cut it. Take a cardboard of size 7 cm into 10 cm. Now cardboard of size 7 cm into 7 cm. Cardboard of size 5.5 cm into 5.5 cm. Cardboard of size 6 cm into 8 cm. Now cardboard of size 14 cm into 1 cm. Arrange all. Mark with pencil and paste accordingly. Paste cardboard alphabet on it. Now paste photo according to the frame size. Here our collage photo frame is ready. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe my channel.